In the end, I believe that he'll be released. I believe the right thing will happen. I'm not gonna stop until every single stone is unturned.
A teenager claiming self-defense in a murder case is now free. Why it took over 2 years for the case to finally be dismissed.
Live, streaming, and on the KUTV app. This is KUTV 2 News at 6.
This is a significant step for you, and it's going to take you a while to process everything you've been through. Congratulations, Emiliano, and I wish you the best of luck.
We start tonight with a monumental decision resulting in a teen boy free from prison and free from being prosecuted for murder.
It is a 2 News exclusive. We first told you about this in a push alert on the 2 News mobile app earlier today. Thanks for joining us for 2 News at 6. I'm Mark Cabell.
And I'm Heidi Hatch. Glad you're with us. The Salt Lake County District Attorney's Office charged then 14-year-old Emiliano with murder. In May, following a series of 2 News investigations, the Salt Lake County DA's office was disqualified from the case.
Yeah, the judge assigned a special prosecutor to take over, and today the case was dismissed. Chief investigative reporter Wendy Holleran joins us in studio with the exclusive story tonight. Wendy?
Well, Mark and Heidi, Emiliano is free from what his attorney and a whistleblower say is an awful injustice after a special prosecutor from the Utah Attorney General's office agreed Emiliano has a colorable self-defense claim that will likely be difficult for the Attorney General's office to disprove by clear and convincing evidence. Tonight, the case has been dismissed with prejudice, meaning it cannot be refiled.
When I said, "You can't prove murder," she said, I know, but it doesn't matter because the attorney doesn't know what he's doing.
That was whistleblower Megan Mills earlier this year. She resigned from the Salt Lake County District Attorney's office after she says they covered up an inappropriate personal relationship between the prosecutor, Adriana Davis, who charged Emiliano with murder, and West Valley City Police Detective Josue Lil, that was never disclosed to Emiliano or his attorney.
I want him to know that people are good, that this horrible thing happened to him, but there are a lot of good people out there that are rooting for him.
Back in May, juvenile court judge David Johnson disqualified the Salt Lake County District Attorney's office, including the DA himself, Gill, and removed them from the case. Criminal Deputy Attorney General Stuart Young was assigned as special prosecutor. There is not a reasonable likelihood of success to show by clear and convincing evidence that the minor's use of force was not justified. Young wrote that video shows a much older adult robbed Emiliano at gunpoint, threatened to shoot him. Video also corroborates Nusami Aela choked him and put him in a headlock. Based on the self-defense claim, the Attorney General's office joins in Emiliano's request to dismiss the murder charges in the interests of justice.
We're grateful that the Attorney General's office has looked into this thoroughly. That they've evaluated all aspects, and I mean all aspects of this.
The court finds that continued prosecution is not in the interest of justice or the welfare of the minor. So accordingly, this court will dismiss the petition, which has allegations 18, 19, and 20, and those are dismissed with prejudice.
The DA's decision to charge Emiliano with murder is a direct contradiction of what Attorney General Derek Brown's office determined.
Mr. Young, anything you'd like to add?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Evershed.
No, we just appreciate that and appreciate how in the cases like these, the system can work.
We are not allowed to show you Emiliano or his mom.
I want you all to know he's starting college tomorrow, Wednesday. He has a job where he's working 20 hours a week. He has a wonderful mother, and he's 16 now. And there's a lot of hope for Emiliano. It's been a real pleasure to represent him.
DA Gill declined an on-camera interview but sent this statement. We believe then and continue to believe now that this case is chargeable with the alleged murder. We screened this case with the input of seasoned homicide attorneys who prosecute more murder cases and address more self-defense justification hearings than any other office in the state. Each office exercises their prosecutorial discretion differently. Our decision was supported by our process, a process that the Attorney General's office recognized
advised was unaffected by any improper influence or bias.
So Wendy, you've been covering this case for about 6 months now. What else stood out from you from the AG's office on this?
So Attorney General Young said that he had a difficult time getting any of the internal affairs investigation from the West Valley City Police Department on Detective Josue Lil. He said that he didn't even know if the detective still worked there, and was told that in order to get that information that he would be required to put in a GRAMA request, which is a public records request. We know from my reporting that Detective Lil still works there, but he was disciplined with a letter of reprimand for conduct unbecoming of an officer for that inappropriate personal relationship with Adriana Davis.
All right, Wendy, keep an eye on it for us and let us know how he's doing.
Right, I sure will. We'll have more updates to come.
All right, Wendy, thank you. Well, switching gears right now, as we mentioned, we've been covering this case since the beginning. If you'd like to watch Wendy's past reporting, we do have those posted online for you. KUTV.com, also on our YouTube page.